Today, you'll see an exciting face-off between two top water pitcher brands. In the blue corner, we have a clearly filtered pitcher that has a durable design and removes a ton of nasty stuff. And in the red corner, we have Brita Elite Pitcher, which comes at a budget-friendly price and doesn't remove healthy minerals. So, in this video, we will analyze them on 4 critical factors to see who wins over your pure water needs. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Round 1. Contaminant Removal. Clearly Filtered uses activated carbon block filtration media to remove chlorine. Independent tests show it can remove 100% fluoride, uranium, copper, 86% barium, 67% strontium, and 53% molybdenum. However, it struggles to remove nitrate and sulfate. It also reduced some healthy minerals, but water pH and potassium eventually improved. On the contrary, Brita Elite Pitcher also uses activated carbon block filtration media to remove chlorine. Independent tests show it can remove just 26% of uranium, 13% of strontium, 17% of molybdenum, and 5% of nitrate. However, it does remove 100% of barium and 97% of copper. Unfortunately, it doesn't remove fluoride. But the good part is it didn't reduce any healthy minerals like Clearly Filtered. Clearly Filtered wins in this round because it removed most of the contaminants effectively with a fluoride removal rate of 100%. Round 2. Filtration Rate and Design. The filtration rate of a Clearly Filtered pitcher is 2.27 gallons of water per hour. It is available in one size with a 10-cup capacity, and it has only one color combination, clear and white. It is lightweight and made from Triton, a sturdy plastic that is free from BPA, BPS, and other bisphenols. Its transparent layout allows for easy monitoring of water levels, while the large pitcher capacity reduces the need for frequent refills. It has a slight design issue, like a poorly sealed top requiring the filter to do most of the work before pouring a drink. In contrast, the Brita Elite Pitcher has a filtration rate of 2.92 gallons per hour. It comes in multiple sizes, 10-cup Tahoe, 6-cup Denali, and 10-cup Huron with white, black, and blue colors to choose from. It is strong and made from polypropylene plastic and styrene acrylonitrile, which are BPA-free plastics that are commonly used for food and water storage. It features a smart light indicator that tracks the amount of water poured from the pitcher and changes color to show the filter's remaining lifespan. It has some design issues, such as the plastic being cracked and water spills when pouring due to a small spout. It's a tie for this round as both pitchers have good filtration rate, made of BPA-free plastic, and has some design issues. If you're finding this video valuable, then know that 99% of you don't subscribe. Do subscribe so that you are that top 1% who will help support more such useful content. Round 3. Ease of installation and maintenance. Clearly Filtered offers a simple setup. Unpack the pitcher and filter, remove all packaging, and wash the pitcher and reservoir with warm soapy water before drying them thoroughly. Attach the filter to the priming bag filled with cold water, squeeze to push water through the filter, and repeat the priming process. Clearly Filtered recommends replacing its filters every 4 months for optimal performance, with each filter capable of processing up to 100 gallons of water. The filter does not provide reminders. You must set your own reminders to replace it. Clearly Filtered pitcher has a higher long-term maintenance cost, with filter cartridges priced at $0.55 per gallon. On the contrary, setting up a Brita pitcher is a quick task. First, rinse your pitcher thoroughly. Insert Elite filter below the line and ensure it's set firmly. Turn the lid and push the filter indicator button below the blue filter for 5 seconds. Finally, rinse the filter by filling and emptying 3 times. Brita water pitcher comes with a filter capacity of 120 gallons, and it comes with a filter change reminder on the lid, which helps you know when to replace your filters. It has a more budget-friendly ongoing cost of $0.17 per gallon, so it's a great choice for people who want to save money over time. The Brita Elite Pitcher comes out on top in this case because it costs less to maintain. Round 4. Certifications and Customer Support. The Clearly Filtered pitcher is WQS certified to NSF 42 and 53 performance qualifications for removal of chlorine and PFAS. It offers quick customer support via phone and email. And you can also use the live chat option on its website to get answers to your questions or resolve any issues. It comes with a 24-month warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction. The Brita Elite Pitcher has been certified by the WQA and IAPMO to NSF standards 42, 53, and 401 for its contaminant removal. It offers technical support over the phone and email during business hours. It comes with a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee and a 90-day warranty, which enhances customer satisfaction. Clearly Filtered wins this round as it has an extended warranty than that of a Brita Elite Pitcher. Final winner. Based on all rounds, Clearly Filtered wins this battle as it has better contaminant removal capability, durable design, and an extended warranty. But Brita Elite is also a good choice if you want an affordable pitcher to remove chlorine without losing any healthy minerals. So there you have it, a detailed comparison between a Clearly Filtered and Brita Elite water pitcher. If you have any queries, comment them down below and I'll respond. And for a detailed comparison between Clearly Filtered and Epic water pitcher, check out this video next.